How to download any image from Google Cloud or your Google Photos to your local phone. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can download a photo from Google Photos to be stored in your local device. So let me show you the step-by-step process. So the first thing that we'll be going to do is simply launch the Google Photos by tapping onto the app icon, and then we will need to find that particular photo that we want to download. So you can simply choose that particular photo, and let's say I want to download this particular photo. Then what I will be going to do is simply click onto these three dots present at the top right corner of this photograph, and once I will do this, it will open a set of menu from where I can perform a variety of operations, and one such option is to download. So simply click onto this download option, and you can see this message that says downloading and download complete. Now once the download has been completed, you can simply go back and check your gallery if it is visible there. So if I go to photos, you can see that this photo has been successfully downloaded. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.